Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GitHub Pages for hosting a portfolio site, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate GitHub Pages for hosting your portfolio site, start by creating. Once your account is ready, log into GitHub. Click on the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a new repository. Name your repository using the format username.github.io, replacing username with your actual GitHub username. Make sure to set the repository to public, as GitHub Pages requires a public repository. Initialize the repository with a README file to get started. After creating your new repository, navigate to the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Pages section on the left sidebar. In the Source dropdown, select the branch you want to use for your GitHub Pages. Typically, you will choose the main branch, then click Save. Once the source is set, the page will refresh, and you will see a URL for your GitHub Pages site. Now, you can start building your portfolio site. Create an HTML file named index.html in your repository. This file will serve as the home page for your portfolio. Use a simple code structure to define the content of your portfolio. Make sure to include elements such as your name, a description, and links to your projects. Feel free to customize the design with CSS or use Bootstrap for a more polished look. After setting up your portfolio, commit your changes to the repository. Go back to the Settings tab and confirm that your site is published. You can visit the URL provided to see your portfolio live. If you want to use a custom domain, configure this in the Custom Domain field in the Pages section. With everything set, your GitHub Pages portfolio is now live. Regularly update your content by pushing changes to your repository to keep your portfolio fresh. Explore additional GitHub Pages features to enhance your site further. Utilizing GitHub Pages is a fantastic way to showcase your work. Enjoy sharing your portfolio with the world. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech